Hello! We've just released a major upgrade to Parser that improves one of the core functionalities of the platform. This new version changes how sources are uploaded, adding an even smarter speaker identification process and enabling the concurrent extraction of subjects and claims from multiple speakers within a file. Let's take a look. There are two ways to go about locating the new upload space: from the landing page by clicking the Get Started button below the main search bar, or within a profile by clicking the Upload Audio button in the top banner. On the new page, there are a couple of items to note. Taking a look at the left sidebar, we have buttons for uploading an audio file and requesting a source. Below that is a listing of all the sources you've uploaded so far. Let's upload something. Clicking the Upload Audio button, I'm now presented with two paths. The main differentiating factor here is whether or not the source I want to upload has a publicly accessible link. Since the one I'm uploading does, I'll click the Yes route. This is where you'll notice the first minor improvement. We've directed our model to create a source name, so you no longer have to. All we have to add here is the file, source URL, and the original publish date. Once I click Proceed, the source will move into the left sidebar as it does its initial processing. We've included brief notes to let you know what's going on behind the scenes. Once the source is done, it will appear with a blue background to notify you that it's ready for the speaker identification step. Clicking on the source, which now has its new title, we're presented with our improved speaker identification modal. Our model has gone through the entire file and surfaced all of the speakers it could identify. Listening to the short excerpt, we can confirm it got the identification correct, hit confirm, and then submit that confirmation once all the speakers have been marked. From here, the model will go about extracting the subjects and claims for each confirmed speaker. While we wait, we have access to the transcript and the initial summary. We also have a handy breakdown of how much time each person spoke within this source. Now that the model has finished its work for both speakers, we can click into each tab to see its analysis. These analyses will also be available on the individual profiles of each speaker. A few other important notes. The summaries extracted for each source are only viewable to the person who uploaded the file. If our model detects that there are more than 8 speakers within a file, it will not extract claims or subjects for any speaker. This is due to the fact that with more than 8 speakers, file transcription becomes less reliable, and since these extracts are added to the database, we need to ensure anything added is accurate. Content requests are no longer speaker dependent. You can request a file be added, and you'll be notified once it's uploaded with an email that contains every identified speaker within the source. Lastly, we always love to hear how our changes to the platform impact your workflow. If you have any suggestions or questions, please reach out. Thanks.